every time I turn around, Housing Opportunities is coming out with something that's helping us. And I can't say enough good things about Housing Opportunities. I love everybody there. They've done so much wonderful things for us. Hopefully, in the next year, we'll be able to qualify for a home. We're currently working with Housing Opportunities. They came out with a new program where they report to the credit bureaus your rent payments. So it helps to raise our credit. Now, our goal is to, you know, one day own our own home. I'd hate to leave this place, it's so beautiful, but there's other people out there that need it too.